In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a carousel on LinkedIn. We're going to start inside Canva because it's one of the easiest tools for creating a clean, professional-looking carousel. First, open your Canva home dashboard in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. This is the main screen where you see all your recent designs and options to create something new. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on Templates. Templates are a great way to speed things up, especially if you're not a designer or you just want a polished layout without starting from scratch. At the top of the templates page, click into the search bar and type the word carousel. As you type, Canva will start suggesting searches underneath. When you see the suggestion that says search for carousel, go ahead and click that. This tells Canva to show you all the carousel style designs available. Now you'll see a gallery of different carousel templates. Scroll through and choose a carousel you like that matches the style and tone of your LinkedIn content. Once you've found one, click on it to open the preview, then click on Customize this template. This will open the design editor with all the pages of your carousel. Here, take a bit of time to create and edit the carousel you want. Replace the placeholder text with your own content, adjust the colors to match your brand, and swap out any images or icons. Try to keep each page focused on one main idea so it's easy for people to swipe through and follow. When you're happy with the design, move to the top right corner of Canva and click on Share. In the menu that appears, select Download. A download panel will open and you'll see a file type drop-down. Click on that drop-down and choose PDF Standard. This format keeps all your pages together in one file and works perfectly with LinkedIn's document feature. Then click on Download and wait for the file to save to your computer. Next, head over to your LinkedIn home feed. At the top, click into the Start a Post field. From the options that appear, click on the plus icon, often labeled More, and then select Add a Document. Choose Select a File or Choose a File, then upload the PDF you just downloaded from Canva. Once it uploads, click into the document title field and give your carousel a clear, descriptive title so people know what they're about to read. When that's done, click Done. Now add your post caption in the What do you want to talk about field. This is where you can introduce the carousel, highlight the key takeaway, and optionally add relevant hashtags. When everything looks good, click Post. Your LinkedIn carousel is now live and ready for your audience to swipe through.